In this video, we will discuss the exotic plant pest spotted-winged Drosophila and cover a range of techniques for identifying this exotic species. The spotted-winged Drosophila is not currently found in Australia, but its recent spread across North America and Europe has raised concerns about the risk posed to Australia and our berry and soft fruit industries. Adult spotted-winged Drosophila are small flies, approximately 2 to 4 millimeters long, with a wingspan of approximately 6 to 8 millimeters. Males are usually slightly smaller than females. Adults have yellow heads with red-orange eyes, yellow to brown bodies, and dark brown to black, unbroken bands across their abdominal segments. However, spotted-winged Drosophila is cryptic, and it may be easy to confuse it with vinegar flies that are endemic in Australia. But one major distinguishing characteristic of the spotted-winged Drosophila is that the adult male has a distinctive black dot on the tip of each wing along the first vein. These wing spots are not observed in any Australian Drosophila species. Males also have 2 dark bands, known as sex combs, on each of their forelegs. Females are harder to identify as they don't have black spots on their wings or sex combs on their legs. Female spotted-winged Drosophila's distinguishing characteristic is a hardened serrated ovipositor with contrastingly black teeth. This sets them apart from other Drosophila species and allows them to lay eggs in ripening fruit. Spotted-winged Drosophila larvae are white to cream, legless maggots. Larvae have mouth hooks, which help them burrow through plant tissue. Spotted-winged Drosophila pupae are approximately 2 to 3 millimeters long, cylindrical in shape, and reddish-brown in colour. They also have 2 anterior spiracles that allow them to breathe. Reproduction of spotted-winged Drosophila is rapid. The total life cycle can be completed in as little as 10 to 14 days, depending on climatic conditions. The serrated ovipositor of females allow them to lay eggs in either ripening fruit or ripe fruit of the host plant. The eggs hatch and the larvae develop through 3 instars while feeding on the fruit. Under optimal conditions, development can happen very rapidly, between 5 to 7 days. The larvae then pupate. This can occur in the fruit or outside the fruit. If the fruit drops from the plant, larvae can leave the fruit and pupate underground. Pupation can take anywhere between 4 to 15 days. Adult spotted-winged Drosophila emerge from the pupae and mate. Females then find a suitable host plant to lay their eggs in, usually laying between 1 to 3 eggs per oviposition site. They can lay several hundred eggs in their lifetime. Spotted-winged Drosophila attacks raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, cherries, grapes, and other soft-bodied fruits. The spotted-winged Drosophila attacks both ripening and ripe fruit, something both growers and advisors should be aware of. The fly's presence can be detected by fruit damage. This damage can appear as small scars or pinpricks on the skin caused by the female ovipositing her eggs. These scars expose the fruit to secondary infection by mould and bacteria. As a result of larva feeding, early rotting of fruit can occur, and you may also notice early fruit drop. If you suspect you have a spotted-winged Drosophila infestation, a quick and practical test can be done. This test is known as the sugar flotation test. Fruit is collected and approximately 100 grams is placed in a sealable plastic bag and is lightly crushed. Care must be taken not to completely smash the fruit. A brown sugar solution is added to the bag in the ratio of 150 grams of sugar to 1 litre of water. The fruit is covered with the solution and left for 30 minutes to allow any larvae that are present to move out of the fruit. If larvae are present, they can then be collected for diagnostic analysis. The fruit is separated from any larvae that may be present by using a fine filter to catch the larvae. Importantly, if you notice anything unusual or suspect spotted-winged Drosophila presence on your farm, call the Exotic Plant Pest Hotline on 1800 084 881.